Alright, today's quick tip video is Propolis. Propolis is the Hives, Walgreens, CVS, Walmart Pharmacy, whatever you want to call it. Antimicrobial, antibacterial, antiviral. Has all kinds of properties. I've got a good friend of mine that's a beekeeper and he's also a dentist. We were up looking at his hives last summer and he scraped off some Propolis. Just scraped it off the frame and put it in his mouth, started chewing on it. I said, Hugh, you're not worried about that pulling fillings or anything out? Hugh's a pretty comical fellow. He says, looks at me, he says, if you put Propolis in your mouth and you start chewing on it, it pulls the filling out, you need to find you a new dentist. So every time I work the hives, I find a hive that's got plenty of Propolis. I've already opened this one up. It's got a Propolis trap on it. So they have plenty of Propolis for the winter. I'll scrape me a ball of it off. I might chew on it like chewing gum for 4 or 5 hours while I'm out in the yard. I mean, I've got a big ball of it there. It's like chewing gum, it never goes away. It's got a toothache. Of course, I'm not a doctor nor a dentist, so I'm not going to go into all that. But I chew it, but it's mainly their medicine cabinet. A lot of breeders breed that out of it because people don't want to deal with all that sticky, gooey mess. I think that's what makes my bees live longer and survive the winter better than most. That's a quick tip for the day. Give you guys a peek down in the hive. Of course, you can see all of them going in and out the entrance, but it's got a little bit of Propolis on it, but plenty of Propolis in the trap. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Have a great day.